I was in the kitchen. I noticed it was drizzling outside. I came out for a while to see it. I wish I could have a hot snack with tea in the rain, but still wanted to enjoy the rain first. So I ran to the top of my building to get a nice view of the rain. I ran into my house as I was enjoying it getting dark outside. Will I be quiet? I wanted to make a snack. I had pomegranate and jackfruits. I peeled off the pomegranate skin to make fruit fused tea and jackfruit paniyaram. Also prepared a batch of unniyappam with nardin banana rice flour jaggery, which is great snack in southern part of India. My family loved the snack that I prepared for them. Soon the tea was boiling. On the other hand, I was preparing unniyappam and paniyaram. As I was adding the batter to the pan, I saw a baby jackfruit seed in it. So I just grabbed the spoon and I took it out. Do you want to see the baby? Here it is. I used coconut oil to cook, and this filled my house with the sweet smell of magic. Soon the tea with the snack was prepared. Soon I get out to enjoy the rain with the tea and the snack.